Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video with Destroyer Productions. And in today's video, we're talking about ProClipUSA's controller for the air suspension, so that you're not just having your controller flopping around, sitting places, and not mounted properly so that you can have an accidental air out. You definitely don't want to have an accidental air out while you're driving, because it could cause some serious damage to your car. All right, so we have two pieces. These pieces are going to attach to each other. This one right here is the air suspension controller holder, and this one right here is an angled mount. This fits any Challenger 2015 and up, and it will be pushed into the trim. And once that is pushed into the trim, this will attach to the front of it, and this will be holding the air suspension controller. And the only tool that it looks like you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver, so that's good. Easily assembled, easily put in, and let's get to work. Okay, so first things first, we're going to be unboxing the ProClip angled mount here. Take it out of the package. Let's see what we got. So, it looks like we have some instructions. Who needs those? No, I'm just kidding, I need those. All right, so as you can see here, pretty much 4 steps. You're going to take the angle, and you're pretty much, from the videos that I've watched, you're going to keep the ProClipUSA up. So this is going to go into this trim right here, and the bottom one is going to go into your trim just above your scratched aluminum here, or polished aluminum or whatever. So all you're going to do is just up and in. It goes in just like that, really easy. And then you're going to find the spot that it connects with down here and also put it in, just like that. Secondly, we have the air suspension controller kit. We're going to take this out of the package. See what we got working with here. This one does require some screwing and unscrewing. There are the screws right there, Phillips head. And then we have another piece of paper here with some instructions. I'm going to show you those real quick. You guys can see the instructions. If you guys have bought this, obviously you guys have the instructions, but I'm going to show them anyways. Looks like a 4-step process as well. Okay guys, so what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to unscrew these 2 screws right here and right here, both Phillips screws. What this is going to allow you to do is get your fitment for your controller, so the arms are going to be able to adjust here and make it so that you're actually going to be able to fit your controller remote in. Both these arms slide out. You can slide your controller in, or whatever it is that you need. Get a very snug fitment there. Right there. Then once you have that controller fitment, just slide it out the top. And then you can tighten these up. I'm just going to do it finger tight. That should be good. And then you slide your controller down and in, and it'll fit just like that, snug. It's not going anywhere. And then you have your controller. You just got to mount it. Okay, so now what you're going to do is take that center screw, unscrew it. The back will come off here. This is the actual mounting bracket that you will mount right here to these 4 holes, or these holes, whatever one you want to do. You'll come over here or over here. Just be aware that once you do screw it in, you cannot return it. So once you've made your first screw mark, you're not going to be able to return this mount if you don't like it or whatever. So be very sure that you like it before you actually do any kind of installation to it. Okay, guys? So there is a ball in here for swiveling, so you can swivel it back and forth however you want. Very nice feature. I like that. I don't like something that's just, you know, stationary in one spot. So that is very nice. All right, guys. So what we did is we took all of the screws out completely, because we're going to have to mount this ball here, which there is a ball inside, and the ball can come out if you're not careful, but we have to mount that after we mount this because of the way that it all runs together. So just be careful though. There is a little cogwheel back here that makes the arms go in and out. I like to see the actual engineering behind stuff. So there's a little cogwheel in there that runs on these little arms, and it goes back and forth. So that's pretty neat. But put that face down, so you don't need that. But what we do need to do is we need to find where we're going to mount this piece. Then we're going to install this ball into this just like so with the screw that is present. So here are your 4 mounting screws. So we're going to go ahead and get those put in right now. All right, we're mounting in the 4 screws right now. I'm going to go on the far side because I like it a little bit more to my right. So we're going to go ahead and do this right now. Get all these screwed in. Make sure to not go too tight on one. Go off-centered and then tighten from the outsides. Top left, bottom right, you know the deal. Don't go completely too far in. Because if you do, you won't be able to find the other holes. Do all 4 and you guys are good to go on that. All 4 of those are in. We're going to snug those up using opposite corners. Nice and tight, nice and snug, nice and secure. I like it. All right, guys, now we're going to take our reassembled piece here. Got everything back in order, everything back in where it's supposed to be. We're going to go ahead and get this ball attached to this spot right here. So we're going to go ahead and sync that up. Put your piece in here, your tool, get it all straight, lined up, ready to go. And then guide it right on to your hole here. ProClipUSA, straight up. Adjust wherever you want it. Like I said, it swivels. And we have a baller mount here. All right, so now all you're gonna do is just unloosen these 2 screws and find your adjustment for your specific electronic or device that you're trying to mount. So we're gonna go ahead and stick this down and in, and we're gonna find our spot, which is right there. So we're gonna keep that like that. We're just gonna nudge it in just a tiny bit like that right there. Tighten it. And we should be good to go. Bam. We have a controller mount, boys and girls. Heck yeah, now I just got to run this wire back here somehow. Get it looking really nice. Maybe I'll just pop it back here. Not sure. But that is a successful job, and I really like this mount. It looks really good in here. I can swivel it towards me if I want. Swivel it away, which I don't know why I do that, but swivel it towards me. And now I have full control of my AccuAir system. And bam, just like that, we are done. We have a holder for our controller, for our AccuAir system. No accidental air outs. It doesn't just sit in the cup holder, just like right there. And it's out of the way. You can also tuck all the wires nice and neat down in here so you can't see them. And everything looks amazing. All right, guys, this has been an installation of the ProClipUSA mounting system for the Challengers 2015 and above. Go to ProClipUSA.com if you guys are interested in one of these bad boys. Tell them DG Prod sent you. They should be able to hook you guys up. Hey, guys, just so you guys know, there's only about 8% of people who are actually subscribed who are watching my videos. So if you guys could, like, maybe subscribe, hit that notification bell, that'd be dope. Thank you. Subscribe. Hit that button. So 8% is the best we can do, huh? 8% of y'all? Come on, guys. Hit that notification bell so you guys can be updated on videos to come. And if you're brand new, or if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet and you've been coming back to my videos, why haven't you hit subscribe? What are you doing, bro? Hit that notification bell as well. Let's get it rolling. I think we can hit 100,000 subscribers this year with the consistency and all the content that's coming to this channel through TikTok, Instagram, and through YouTube. Make sure that you guys are rallying. Let's go, guys. Let's get this channel to 100,000 subscribers. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Hopefully I taught you something in this video. Hopefully you'll stick around and come back for some more. And until then, guys, I'll see you in the next one. The next one is going to be letting you guys know what I got for a daily, because It is coming super soon. Damn door. Shit, tried to kill me. Did you see that? All right, guys, I'm out. Take it easy, everybody.